How to log out of Shopify account using Google on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In this quick video, I'll show you how to log out of your Shopify account, even if you logged in using your Google account on your mobile device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your mobile browser and go to shopify.com. Step 2. Tap the 3-line menu icon in the top left corner of the page if you're not already in your admin dashboard. Step 3. If you're inside your store dashboard, scroll down to the very bottom of the menu. Step 4. Tap on Log Out or Sign Out, depending on what's showing. Shopify will now log you out of your account, even if you signed in using Google. Bonus tip. If you want to be extra sure, you can also clear browser cookies or log out of your Google account from the browser, but it's not necessary in most cases. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Shopify account on mobile. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.